Hey, it's Nia Nevsky with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play the song When You Walk Into the Room. It is such a good, powerful song. And if you're new here, again, I'm Nina Nevsky, and this channel is all about teaching you to play in your alone time with God and leading others into the presence of the Lord. And if you're serious about this, I made an online program that teaches you to lead people into worship, what to play during sermons, what to play when you're just alone with God. And if you're interested in that transformation, go to pianoministrycourse.com. And I'm going to go through the entire song before getting into the separate verse and chorus and explaining everything. So when you walk into the room, everything changes. Darkness starts to tremble at the light that you bring. When you walk into the room, every heart starts burning, and nothing matters more than just to sit here at your feet and worship you. When you walk into the room, everything changes. Darkness starts to tremble at the light that you bring. When you walk into the room, every heart starts burning, and nothing matters more than just to sit here at your feet and worship you. We love you, and we'll never stop. Can't live without you, Jesus. We love you, and we can't get enough. All this is for you, Jesus. When you walk into the room, sickness starts to vanish. Every hopeless situation ceases to exist. When you walk into the room, the dead begin to rise, 'cause the resurrection life and all you do. We love you, and we'll never stop. Can't live without you, Jesus. We love you. We can't get enough. Oh, this is for you, Jesus. Come and consume, God, oh yeah. Give you permission, our hearts are yours. We want you. We want you. Come and consume, God, oh stop. Can't live without you, Jesus. We love you. We can't get enough. All this is for you, Jesus. And that's the entire song. It is so beautiful. I love it. Also, if you want to learn how to do that and just kind of improvise, go to pianoministrycourse.com. I kind of talk about how to make up your own melodies inside of a random song. So now going through the entire song piece by piece. So you got the introduction, and it's really simple. You could either just stay on C, just kind of play the, and start right away. When you walk into the room, or you could do a little introduction. Like, I noticed that in the original, when Bethel does it, they do a little like, and then an F, something like that, and then you have your A minor. When you walk into the room, the electric guitar keeps playing this during the verse, but it's kind of hard to play and sing. So you can just play that and then end it off with F. When you walk into the room, and go straight into the verse. So the verse chords are C, just like in the introduction, and then you have your F, and then an A minor, and back to F. So with your left hand, you can play the flowy style, which I absolutely love. Or you could just play octaves. Then F, A minor, F. And then with your right hand, you're pressing on the triad. So C. A lot of times you'll see me play C inverted. I love inverted chords, that's why I play it, but I'm gonna try and stick with the original C for you guys. So you got the C, got the F. I also play an inverted F. And honestly, inverted chords are gonna change your life. Why? Because watch how I switch from C to F. And then A minor, and then back to F. Honestly, like, I could play with my eyes closed and I don't have to care. So this is, you know, your F or your C, F, A minor, F. Like, how good does that get? Inverted chords are amazing. I actually have a lesson on them where I break down why they look so different, and it's all gonna make sense to you once you learn about them. But anyway, they are amazing. So you got your C, you have your F, and you got your A minor, and then back to F, and that's what you play. When you walk into the room, I'll press on a key in the chord, just any key, to kind of keep the sound going. Everything changes. Darkness starts to tremble at the light that you bring. And you come to the room. See how I'm kind of pressing on one of the keys just to kind of keep it. I do a little instrumental. So pressing on a triad and then just pressing on that C. When you walk into the room. So once you get stronger with your voice, you want to press on the triad more. Walk into the room. Everything changes. And darkness starts to tremble at the light that you bring. When you walk into the room. So notice that my right hand starts doing all the work. And then what my left hand starts doing is just pressing either on the 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. This is a flowy style, which I absolutely love. I also have a little mini course on it, how to get your hand to move in that flowy manner. So you just play that when you want to get stronger. So after that, you go into the chorus, and you can do a quiet chorus at first. I like to sometimes just jump right in. We love you, and we'll never stop. So watch my action with my left hand, and then my right hand is doing most of the a bit much and messy right now, but I think you see the gist of it, how my left hand is doing that flowy, and then my right hand is just pressing on those triads. Then you go to verse 2 again, you're doing it really strong, walk into the room. And then I quiet it down for the verse, because I kind of like to keep the verses quieter than the chorus, and then I go up in the chorus again. So I like to do verse 2 kind of resurrection life, no you. So I like to keep it quiet and then build up at the end. And you'll notice that at the end of verse 2, you have a G over B. It's kind of a little, first time we see this chord in the song. So you have the E minor, resurrection life, and all you do. So that's you playing G with your right hand and B with your left hand. Such a beautiful song. And then you can do an instrumental of the same exact chords, and then you go into the bridge. So come and consume God, oh we are, it's an F. Then you have an A minor, we give you permission, the hearts are yours, we want you, C. And then you see this chord again, G over B, we want you, oh come and consume God, oh we are, we give you A minor. So you could just hold one note for the bass. Want you, we want you. And then you can build up. Notice how I'm building up F. My bass. And then my triads. Watch my bass. You go right back into the chorus. So notice the bass, you can either do one finger or two, so you could do octaves. So that's it for the entire song, guys. It's such a beautiful and simple song because the chords, for the most part, they just repeat. And again, if you are interested in not just leading yourself in worship when you're alone, but also leading others, whether it be during a sermon you're playing or after prayer or during worship, the introductions, go to pianoministrycourse.com. I made it especially for you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.